Hey guys, welcome back to Dylan Decoder, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make an FNF mod on Scratch. So you might have watched my other three Scratch videos back in the past, and today I'll be showing you how to make a FNF mod on Scratch. So today we're going to start off with just the title screen. Only the title screen. I will do other parts of this, so they will be coming out each day. So today is part 1. So let's just get right into this. So first, we are going to go to Scratch. So I actually have it all opened up. Click new you probably already know all about this. I'm just helping out, so because I just want to show you how to do this so you guys can get better at coding. And if you guys like coding, please, if you guys know how to code, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, because usually here you will learn coding tutorials. So we're gonna go to new project actually, and so we're going to rename the project to whatever one you want. I'm gonna do FNF versus Boxy, a LankyBox character. You might not know that I love LankyBox so much. And if you want to use any other characters you want, that is okay, but I'm going to use characters that I use from the past. So I'm just going to delete Cat because we don't need Cat today. So we're going to get a sprite and then paint it, and we're just going to name it Startup. We're just going to name it Startup right there. And then we can make, oh wait, no, we're not going to do a purple box. So you can do whatever color you want, but I'm going to do black for the sake of this video. And I'm just going to go black. It should be like this. Now that we've done that, we're going to go to text, and we're going to put some stuff. So you could do any one you want, but I'm going to do handwriting. A game made by, just make that a little bit bigger. Okay, now we're going to duplicate the costume. And now we're going to write the creators. If you don't know the creators, I'll tell you them right now of FNF. So Ninja Muffin 99. Oh, oops. Ninja Muffin 99. Okay. Costume and Kawi Sprite. All right. All right. All right, there we go. And then, oops, we're gonna duplicate it. And then we got Phantom Arcade. We're gonna make that a little bit, just a little bit smaller. And then we're gonna go to, we're gonna make a new costume because we finished all these. And we are going to, oh, oops, that's the wrong color. Sorry about that. We're going to get this, like the black square thing done. And we're going to do more handwriting. Recreated on so once we do recreated on, I'm going to actually get another costume, and then I'm just gonna go scratch logo PNG. You need a PNG, otherwise if you don't get a PNG, it won't work. So this one looks good. Oops. So once we get that, we are going to actually delete costume 6 and copy this costume again. Recreated. Can't get the logo. We can't get the logo. That's okay, that's okay. We just won't use the logo. We'll just write scratch, I guess. I'm just gonna go into my Finder. Don't mind all this other stuff. I just have it, so just delete that. Recreated on scratch. We're gonna make it really big though. Okay, there we go. I think that looks perfect. And then we're gonna paint one more costume. Alright, alright, and then FNF versus Boxy. Okay. Once we do that, we're actually going to make one more costume. And we could do this last costume white. And we can just name it Woo. Okay? We'll just name it Woo. Then that's it for this. So now we are going to just save our project. Just because I just want to really save. So now we're going to move on to some coding here. We're going to get when green flag clicked, we are going to switch costume to costume 1. So after that, we are going to get a show button. And then we're going to get a repeat 10. Then we're going to go to costumes again. Go back to Woo. And then instead of 10, I have and then we got show. Then after that, we're going to get the repeat block. And then we have to count our costumes. So I have 7. I have 8, but just we're not gonna, woo doesn't count because that's not part of the costume, so we have 7. Repeat 7 times.
Hello. Who are you calling? I'm making a video.
Then we're going to go get next costume. Then after that, we're going to get, wait 1 second. Then we're going to save the project. And hold on, just 1 second. I'm following along with this. Wait, oops. I made a mistake. Put the wait a second on top of this next costume. Okay. This is what you should have. All right, and that is what you guys should have. And if you don't have that, that means you did something wrong. But if you have this, that means you are in the right spot right now. That means you are doing the right thing. Now, we're actually going to duplicate this, the repeat thing. And then we're going to put it, oh shoot. Oh no. Put it under, oh, I did not say in there. And then we're going to put it back to 10. We can put it back to 10. And then once we put it back to 10, we are going to get rid of this. So we can just throw it out away. Instead, we are going to go to looks, and then we're going to get, where is it? Change color effect by 25, but instead of 25, put 10. Then instead of color, put ghost. And then we should have this. There we go. Okay, that is what you should have. And now we're going to go to the backdrops. Once we go to the backdrops, we are going to get, instead of white, okay. Get black. I don't know why we had to do white earlier, but all right. Now we can go back to startup. Then once we go, we're gonna actually, instead of wait 1 second, we're gonna get wait 0 seconds. Then instead, we have to wait 0 seconds. And then, all right. And then instead of wait 1 second, I actually made one mistake. We have to put 1.5. And then we have to swap that up again. Now we're going to save the project, and then we should have this. There we go. That is what it should be like right now. Okay. If it's like that, that means if it didn't like have the ghost effect at the final ending, like when it like changed the blur, if it doesn't have that, it's still okay. It's pretty much just an option, but I just wanted to add that so it looks like the real game. I will just maybe do some episodes on my gaming channel of playing it of like the FNF game. But right now, my gaming channel, I'm just doing Roblox right now. So now we're going to get a new sprite, and we're going to name it Menu Character. Menu Care for just short. And now for this, we are now going to, all right, one sec. We're gonna click costumes. You can draw a speaker, but I'm gonna upload one. Just because it's more good. I just need an FNF speaker, but I need a PNG one, so there's like, just so it could be like fixed and stuff like that. So I just need a good one, just a good one. You know what? All right. Oh, this one looks nice. Well, at least it's pixel. That looks nice. I'm just gonna rename it to Pixel Speaker, and then I'm just gonna go to my. Let's just make sure it's there. Yep, it's there. And just upload a costume. That's not it though. Oh God, that's okay. I just we just need to find one. We just gotta find it. Speakers PNG. I guess that's good. All right, so let's just get that. Make sure it's there. Yep, it's there. All right, where is it? Okay, that's still not right. I'm just gonna remove it from my Finder so I like don't get a virus. If I do, I'm not gonna literally be able to play Roblox anymore. So, all right, that's okay. Now we gotta do the FNF speaker. All right, this is a PNG. That is probably going to work because if it has like usually like squares around it, it will work. But let's just find it. I need to go see if it's in my Finder quick. Okay, I hope this one works. Hopefully. It doesn't. Alright, you know what? We'll have to erase all the white so it could be a lot better. I'm just gonna erase all the edges quick. All right. I have to make the eraser really small for this. For this one part. All right. That is so good. Like, I did it like perfect. All right. There we go. Oh, shoot. All right. This is looking good so far. Sorry this is taking so long. It's just... I'm sorry, guys, but this does not look good. So I'm going to delete that and find a PNG one. A one that will upload. All right. All I need to find is just blank template. I just gotta delete that other one. Oh, never mind. We're just moving all those to trash because we don't need those. Well, we are gonna need some actually. All right. Hopefully this works. It doesn't work. I will find one. That is good. Pretty much all I need to do. Hold on. Okay. I just need to find the speaker. Like the good one. But it has to be... guess I'll try this one. Okay. Okay, it's in there. Let's see, we can put it in. This is okay. This is not, there's not much white. I just like to erase all the top and stuff corners first. Just so it could, you know, Alright. This is a little bit frustrating, trying to erase all this white. That does look pretty good, but... Oh, actually, you know what? This is not bad. This is not bad at all, actually. I'm just gonna erase all the white. All of the white. I just need to zoom in a little bit. All right. You guys don't even know how focused I am right now. Oh no, that was bad. That was so bad. Oh my god, that was bad too. I'm gonna make the eraser smaller. Like 10. Oh my god, this is so... I'm literally so focused right now. You guys don't even know how focused I am. Like, this is... I'm not deleting this, even if I can't do it. All right. Oh my god. I am so insanely focused. Oh my gosh. All right, for this final part, we can make the eraser big again. Oh my god. We did it. We did it. We did it. Oh my God, get me out of this. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Now we just need to copy that, and then we delete this costume, and then uh that was chaos. Oh gosh. All right, we'll go back to startup, go back to coding, and then we're just gonna go to front layer. Now, oh my God, I'm just so tired from the erasing that speaker. Oh my God. So we created on Scratch. There we go. It's looking good. Still a white mark there, but who cares about that? That's okay. That is okay. If you don't think it's okay like that, it's still okay. It doesn't really matter. So, now, time to make another sprite. Oh my God, you don't even know how tired I am from that. Now, this is the menu logo. And, okay. Now we're going to do the same thing that we did with the speaker, but I hope it is PNG. I hope, oh shoot, where is it? Oh no. All right, let's just get now we have the logo. This is PNG. I hope it is. All right. Oh shoot. It's kind of cool though. It got split in half. We need to make it small. I think that's good. All right, let's just copy it. Remove this. Oh my God. My hands are just so freaking sore. From the, all right. Now, when green flag clicked, we're going to get set size to 100. Then we're going to get a forever block, then a repeat block. And instead of 10, it's going to be 5. And then we're just going to duplicate the... Just going to just duplicate it then. And then after we get repeat 5, we are going to change size by 2. And then after that, we are going to duplicate it and put it in there. Then instead of 2, it's going to be -2. All right. All right. Now, we're going to get 0.1 seconds in between the repeats, and then another one under there, under that repeat. And then after that, we are going to get set size to 100. And then save it, and then this is what we should have right now. There we go. That looks pretty good. That looks really, really good. And that is what we should have so far. All right, now we're going to go back to startup. Let's just move this over a little bit. And we are going to duplicate this. And then instead of we're going to throw all that out. We're going to go to control and then get a forever block. And then we're going to get an if then block and put it inside the forever block. And then we are going to get when key space pressed. And then we're going to go to operators, and then we're going to get join apple banana. Then we're going to, instead of apple, we're going to put enter, and then we're going to just erase banana. And then we're going to, oh wait, no, never mind, we can remove this. Remove that right now. And then we're going to get the or thing, and then put this in the left box. Then we're going to get we're going to duplicate it. Then we're going to put the join and enter back. Just put this down there a little bit. Now we're going to duplicate repeat 10. And then we're going to put it inside of there. After that, and then we are going to go to control, and then we're going to get stop all scripts in Sprite, and then stop this script. And then we're going to put that under everything in that one. So now this is actually no, we don't. Now after you see this, like in the middle of that, we're going to switch costume to Woo. All right. Now we're to save that stuff, and then we're gonna go to the speaker. We're going to Control A. Hold on. Once we're going to duplicate this costume and then select Control A. We're going to put it down a little bit. Then we're going to duplicate this costume. Then we're going to put it like that. Then we're going to go to the coding. We're going to get a when green flag clicked. We're going to get a forever block. Then we're going to get a next costume. After that, we're going to get wait 0.1 seconds, put it above that. Then save the project, and then we should have this. Huh? It's I'm just gonna go to startup quick. We're gonna go. Oh shoot. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Well, guys, this was a fail. I'm probably not gonna be doing this again, but I will do it. I will maybe show you guys how to make a real one in the future, maybe a couple weeks or months, maybe in a couple years. But anyways, this is gonna end today, but I wish I would be able to do this. I'm gonna do this, and I'll show you it once I finish all of this. And subscribe, and yeah, bye.